believe that internationally we've set a very high bar through those programs, and we are working hard to make sure that that was recognized internationally, and that we contribute to the global developments in maintenance, reliability, and asset management as well.
So what we have to think about is how do we cost effectively make that operate and maintain phase work.
For me, on the business management and IT side, we struggle, I think, in organizations to bridge the gap with the technical. And I find a lot of the conversations you get at MainTrain struggle to bridge those gaps in light of innovative solutions and technologies that we find in the market today.
It's for repairable. Mean time between failure equal to
this MainTrain conference and PMAC they're really leading the way in getting industry professionals prepared and better educated for the new challenges that are facing industries now.
They all define themselves according to one way or another. Nobody talks to each other.
Coming from South Africa, what I wanted to learn was what's happening in other regions. So my main objective of coming here was to actually see what's happening in North America. So I chose Canada to see what's the advancements in terms of the maintenance field.
It's a good place to network with people in the industry, whether it's other people in the same positions that we are and with the same problems we have to solve those problems.
How can you leverage that infrastructure, the analytics and the mobile piece to deliver a very unique value proposition to your end customer?
Been learning a lot about different technologies of things that we don't, like for example vibration analysis and ultrasonic, which we haven't really been using in our facility.
Spreading the word, maximum availability at a reasonable cost. When I talk to our owners and they say reasonable, what's reasonable? He goes, we're competitive, I want a competitive cost.
There's a lot of professionals here that have the exact same mindset as I do, and it was very comforting to hear that they're dealing with the same issues that I'm dealing with and this guy's dealing with and everything else.
A great breadth of knowledge comes here, and so being able to share that really is what pulls the industry together. Rather than us each working individually, we can instead work together and I'd say progress both what we're doing in our organizations as well as the field as a whole.
I learn something every time I come to a workshop, and this won't be my last.